This is the smallest but most ridiculously expensive upgrade that I ever put on a Gaggia Classic. I'm going to show you why this little piece of plastic that's smaller than a coin costs $180 US, why high-end espresso machines are obsessed with this material, and how an industrial manufacturer I thought only did circuit boards ended up machining this for me. We're going to dive in what PEEK is, how I got this custom milled, and why this is a start of a project to bring professional grade components to the DIY community. My name is Dule Rabbit. Let me take you down this rabbit hole. PEEK, P-E-E-K, polyether ether ketone. What is that? This is an aerospace polymer. It's used in aviation, all that good stuff, UFOs, you name it, they do it. High-end espresso machines use it just because it has super low temp conductivity, especially if you have a cold touch steam wand, the milk cannot cake on it. Perfect. Some of you might know me from the mod for the Gaggia Classic, Profitec Go cold touch steam wand. When I was doing that, I was chatting with the GaggiMate developer, Mr. Jochen. He said, hey, since this works now, you know what would be even crazier? If you put a PEEK steam tip on that wand, on a Gaggia Classic. I'll make a 3D model and then, you know, reach out to PCBWay, see if they can do it. And I'm like, what do you mean? That like they cut PCB boards? Like, I mean, I'm thinking that in my head. And then it came to me that I watched a couple of videos, like people are milling like portafilters and stuff like that. And I'm like, yeah, okay, they do all of that. Let me just see how much it costs. You know, there's an estimate and there's like the initial thing that they give you, and this costs like $40 to be made. No. This is $180 US. The PEEK material cannot be melted or like this needs to be milled. The low temp conductivity that makes this special makes it expensive. So essentially I pitched PCBWay to sponsor this video. This is not CNC, this is lathe, this is plastic, and this is tough to make. The holes, the threads, the inner gasket placement, the finish, phenomenal. Check PCBWay if you need anything made, absolute recommendation. I'm definitely going to be using them in the future. This thing is overkill. I know, it's ridiculous, expensive. You have a machine that maybe you bought used and it's less than the price of this little steam tip. This is a prototype. Prototypes are expensive. Cars, planes, phones, even with this is an idea that was just on the screen. I was buying something else and I saw this steam one cheap and I'm like, oh, this is cheap. I can make it work. Not I want to make it work because how cheap it is. A couple of cuts later and here it is on a Gaggia Classic. And a lot of you did that mod because it's sold out everywhere, right? Sorry. But that's the whole thing. I talked again with Jochen and I was discussing with him because this is oval. And I said, would you be able to make it just straight? Whatever I can do to remove the excess of the manufacturing process should make the manufacturing process cheaper, making this cheaper. And then in quantity, even cheaper. Do you understand where I'm going with this? Everything that makes the manufacturing expensive needs to go down. Threads can go down. Let's say you can buy this for 30 bucks and you just need a tap, make it your thread, and you put it in your machine. Thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. In my next video, I'm going to be testing these out, how the material performs, 4 holes, 3 holes. My name is Dule Rabbit. Keep tinkering, and I'll see you in the next one.